Hello everyone, welcome to Wellness HQ. Today we are diving into the exciting world of healthcare technology and we are going to explore the top 7 trends that is shaping the future of medicine in 2024. So stay with us. The first thing I want to look at is AI in action, automating workflows and assisting diagnosis. Artificial intelligence is shaping many industries and the healthcare sector is not excluded. Imagine AI streamlining tasks such as appointment scheduling and paperwork. But this is not new. Some hospitals are already using AI to analyze scans and then leveraging on the power of AI to identify abnormalities in X-rays and mammograms. So AI is really the future of healthcare and it's important that we look into it so that we can use it to advance our work in the healthcare industry. The next is telemedicine on the rise. Here we are looking at expertise sharing and virtual collaborations. Telemedicine is making specialist consultation more accessible. Imagine having a cardiologist in Accra examining a patient in Tamale, all with the power of telemedicine. It's bridging the geographical gap in healthcare. Let's look at the ExpressMed Ghana app, for example. It's a solid platform that provides virtual consultation anywhere, anytime in the shores of Ghana. And so it's easy to use and accessible if you want to look into your mental health issues, reproductive health issues, women health issues, and other chronic issues. You can always use the ExpressMed Ghana app, for example, and have 24/7 access to specialists. Next is integrated diagnostics and multidisciplinary care. This is quite a mouthful, but it's basically looking at data sharing among or between different healthcare providers becoming smoother. One of the challenges we've had in healthcare, especially in developing countries, is data silos where you have different hospitals having different health information about the patient. Or when you go to a different healthcare provider other than your primary provider, you would have to start the process all over again, do your labs, and then whatnot. That can take time, as you may know. But with multidisciplinary care and data sharing, different healthcare providers can have access to your information to help enhance decision making. And so this is an opportunity that we can leverage on. I know that most governments are trying to integrate patient records and data among different providers, and this is an area that we should look into going into the future. We can't talk about tech trends without talking about smart technologies. Orable devices, virtual realities, apps are getting better at tracking our vital sleep patterns and activity levels. Now imagine having a smartwatch that is able to read your stress level or blood pressure and quickly send a message to you or your healthcare provider and recommend interventions thereof. So these technologies helps us to make informed decisions regarding our health, and it's something that you might want to look into it. Still on AI, the future of healthcare is predictive analysis. AI has made its way into data analytics, and here we are looking at AI being able to analyze vast amounts of medical data to be able to identify potential health risks. Now imagine AI being able to examine your blood works to flag any potential pre-diabetes. And so AI has the power to help us analyze vast amounts of data and make informed decisions and even preventive measures before they become severe. Another interesting area to look at is multimodal large language models, LLM, for clinicians. We know our clinicians use a variety of data from PDFs, pictures, scans, images, notes, what have you. But how can we put all these different formats on one platform to enhance decision making in a faster way? Clinicians don't necessarily have to learn all these language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and the rest, but we can start thinking about platforms that can make it easy for clinicians to have a fair idea of all these data formats in one place to enhance health decision making. The last tech trend we want to look at in the future of medicine is blood testing reimagined. We know the significance of blood works in our healthcare. Now, how can we make these blood samples more convenient and accessible for the patient? Some companies have started doing home kits such as the HIV self-testing kit, which can be done at home. If you've not watched that, you can check out my previous video on the oral quick self-testing kits, for example. There are other test kits like COVID, which was very useful during the pandemic, malaria testing and what have you. Now, how can we make these more accessible for patients? Other companies are also looking into robotics, taking blood samples. Others are also looking into other technologies that can easily assess your saliva or other urine and other blood works to enhance, and all these to make your healthcare better or well improved. These are the few exciting trends transforming healthcare. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect more advancements in technology that can improve our health and well-being. Until then, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and loved ones. Catch you another time.